Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Windows workflow using PowerToys mouse utilities, full guide step by step clearly. To restore Windows workflow using PowerToys mouse utilities, start by ensuring you have PowerToys installed on your system. Visit the official GitHub page for PowerToys and download the latest version. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, launch PowerToys from the Start menu. In the PowerToys settings, locate the Mouse Utilities section on the left sidebar. Enable the mouse utilities by toggling the switch to the on position. Explore the available features such as Mouse Highlighter. This feature allows you to highlight mouse clicks for better visibility during presentations. Next, consider using Find My Mouse. This feature helps locate your mouse pointer quickly by enlarging its visibility. To activate Find My Mouse, move your cursor in a circular motion, and a spotlight will appear around it. You can also configure the settings for this feature under the Mouse Utilities tab. If you frequently use specific keyboard shortcuts, customize them in the Keyboard Manager section of PowerToys. Here, you can remap keys or create new shortcuts to enhance your workflow. Another useful feature is Shortcut Guide. To use this, simply hold down the Windows key for a moment, and a guide to Windows shortcuts will appear. Explore additional utilities available in PowerToys, such as Fancy Zones for window management. Use Fancy Zones to create custom layouts that help organize your screen space efficiently. To set up Fancy Zones, access the settings and create zones that suit your workflow. Finally, regularly check for updates to ensure you have the latest features and improvements. With these PowerToys mouse utilities, you'll enhance your Windows workflow significantly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.